Hey guys, it's Alan, the Fireman 1028, and today I'm back with our 2025 KTM 390 Enduro R. Now, one of the very few complaints I had about this bike was the stock foot pegs, and there's been a couple, this is December 25 now, and there's been a couple companies that have come out with some foot pegs, and I really haven't been crazy about them, and I've been talking and working with my guys over at PivotPegz. And these guys, if you don't know about PivotPegz, you need to check them out. I'm gonna put a link to their website in the description. These guys are awesome, and they've been one of my biggest supporters since as soon as I started this channel here. So they called me the other day and said, Alan, we think we got a solution for the 390 Enduro and for the 390 Adventure R. And that's what they've come up with right here. So check these out right here. So here's our stock foot peg, which again, not a terrible foot peg, okay? But then you compare it to that guy right there. Look at that. Let's put these guys side by side. Look at that right there. Now, also what's cool about a pivot peg is what's in their name. Check this out right here. These pegs actually pivot and rotate, and it's hard to do right here, just holding it because it's spring loaded back inside here. All right guys, so here they are installed on the bike. Now I already pre-installed the right side just to make sure everything worked out okay, and I'll show you how to do it on the left hand side here. But it uses a stock pin. They give you a new cotter pin, and they give you a new spring, which they have attached on right here. These things slide inside the stock opening right there, and they give you a massive, again, I put it side by side, comparing the stock to the aftermarket. It is a much bigger platform for, it's a much bigger platform for your foot. And again, the thing about PivotPegz is, look at that right there. They give you some movement right there to be able to move around on the pegs. I absolutely love PivotPegz. So let's get it installed on the left-hand side of the bike. All right, so here we are on the left-hand side of the bike. Now, what I did is I put the bike on a rear stand just so I could raise my kickstand up so I didn't have to deal with that, so we can actually access the pin, the cotter pin that's underneath here. Honestly, getting the cotter pin out is probably the hardest thing in this whole process. All right, cotter pin's pulled out. Now, it does have a washer right here. You want to save that because we're going to use that. And there's also a little rubber O-ring that sandwiches behind the washer there. So you want to make sure you keep that. And I think that's more for vibration, just to keep the washer from vibrating on the metal there. All right, just like that, our old foot peg's off. Now, PivotPegz, what they do is they use a rubber band to put the new spring to kind of hold it in place, and I highly recommend leaving that, because what it does is it helps you keep that spring in place when you're trying to set your pin. Clean off that inner surface right there, because it's a very snug fit, and too much grit and debris right there, and it's not going to fit in there. And just like that, I swear this is the easiest set of foot pegs I've ever installed. Look at that, look at that. All right, so we got the peg on. And like I said, you want to take your little rubber O-ring and your washer and put the rubber O-ring on first, then put your washer on. Then slide your cotter pin through. All right guys, so there's with our pivot pegs installed. And again, you see what makes a pivot peg is the fact that they not only bend upwards, but they also pivot forward and backwards. So I've got great foot position, you see here. And like I said, the pegs, they move with you. I got good access to my brake pedal over there. All right, and here we are on the left side, or the shifter side. Again, the position's about the same, so you don't have to adjust your shifter. I still got plenty of access. And these are, these aren't motorcycle boots, but they're good sized boots. So I got plenty of access to my shifter there. All right, and here we are on the bike. And as you can see, in the standing position, that's what makes PivotPegz so great, is that you can actually stand up and actually have them move with you a little bit as you work around. So it makes standing and riding, makes it a lot more comfortable. And like I said, gives you a huge platform. And these are nice, chunky foot pegs. And these things are going to last forever. They're not that expensive. PivotPegz is an American company. They're great. They're easy to work with. Guys, I highly, highly recommend. Call PivotPegz if you want a set of pegs. Now they have them for your KTM 390 Enduro R and your KTM 390 Adventure R. So again, if you see anything that you like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. God bless, roll tide, and remember, tomorrow needs you. Thanks, guys.